In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Phoenix browser app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get your Phoenix app as your browser on your Android smartphone, go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from Play Store, go to the search bar or just tap on the search icon here. From here, just go ahead and enter the name. And then we have your Phoenix browser. If you tap on it, now you should see this is the right Phoenix browser app. It is from Colorful Point. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.3 with over 4 million reviews. And currently it has over 1 billion downloads. The file size currently is around 21 MBs. To get it, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Phoenix browser app, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead and tap on open here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Phoenix browser app here. So by following these steps, you should be able to download this browser and start using it on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.